Ever struggled with a power cord that just doesn't fit or fails after a short time? If you're looking for a dependable replacement, this 6-foot universal power cord with a 3-pin connector might be exactly what you need. It's designed to deliver steady, safe power to your devices without any hassle or guesswork. I recently swapped out my old, frayed cable for this one, and the difference was clear. The heavy-duty 14-gauge wire feels robust and built to last. It's fully molded, so it resists wear and tear better than thinner, cheaper cords. Plus, it's universal, meaning it works seamlessly with everything from PC monitors and laptops to printers and televisions. That versatility saved me from buying multiple cords for different devices. Safety is a big deal here. This cord is tested to meet safety standards, so you don't have to worry about electrical risks or interruptions. It plugs in easily, with a female connector that fits your device and a male end that goes straight into any standard outlet. Customers have praised its perfect fit, especially for devices like red light therapy lamps, highlighting how it's both sturdy and reliable without breaking the bank. If you're tired of flimsy cords that wear out quickly or don't fit your gear, this universal power cord offers a straightforward, durable solution. It's worth a look if you want a no-fuss replacement that just works, solid quality, safe performance, and broad compatibility all in one. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your setup and enjoy uninterrupted power with confidence.